I just thought I'd make this second video because I never went over the rubric. And I also wanted to find that exit ticket because I know I have everything. I just have so many drives and I want to have you watch me go through a million old emails to find it. So I'm sharing my screen and here is that exit ticket for the transformations. So this is what the students would get. I would always put two on a page or three on a page or five on a page to save paper. They put their name, their date, their period, and then they have a word bank. So um, the translation actually gave the translation, the rotation gave the rotation, the reflection gave the reflection, the dilation gave the dilation, the stretch gave the stretch. So all they had to do was basically match. So number one is the dilation from zero, and then we see that it is what? Three. It's three times bigger. Actually, this picture looks off because this is A, B, C, D, E, and this is going to be the original image, and this is the pre-image. So guess what? The key is wrong. Here's all file. Will they let me change this on here? Can I change? Oh no, I copied and pasted it. That's okay. So I might as well just show you what it should be. I just hate having wrong things. I made this a while ago. So download PDF document. I just want you to always have the right information. Okay, so here's the right information. Let's see. So it would not, it's still from the origin, but I like having 00 and not just the big O there. I'll show you exactly what it should look like. So file, download as a PDF. Wonder what's taking so long. Here we go. All right, so I might as well draw you what it should be. And let's zoom in as well. Okay, so this first one is your dilation, right? Now, because this one is your dilation, it says an O for the origin, but it's probably better to put 00 here. Should probably put 0, comma 0. And then comma to what it is. So because these have not the primes, this is your original picture, and the little one's your new image. So this means we are not three times as big, we're 1/3 as big. So this should be 1/3. Isn't that nice? Cool. All right, so this one has been, is this the reflection? B to B, C to C. Yeah, this is a reflection right here. So this one's a reflection, and it says we're reflecting over the x-axis. Let's see if that is correct. So we did dilation. Is it right over this line? Well, we can count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is perfect. So it's reflection over the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, all the points. This is your original image. This is your pre-image. And this one is your actual image. Cool. All right, so now let's see this one. So this is a rotation because it's spun. Doesn't say which way. So I'll show you which one should be the first and which one should be the second. So here's your rotation. It says it's around the origin, or we could put 00 if we want, okay? If it's a point, it's a point. So if we're going 90 degrees, now remember that math goes counterclockwise. So this would be rotation around the origin. So this has to be A, B, C, and this is, sorry, A prime, B prime, C prime. So it'd be rotation of 90 degrees or rotation of negative 270, because negative, look, 90. So 90 would put it here, 180 would put it here, 270, yep, or negative 270. This is your stretch. That's probably all you need for that one. And here we go. Let's see. It says -3, -5 for the translation. So here's your translation. Here's your first picture. Here's your second picture. It's got the prime. So do we go left 3? 1, 2, 3. That looks right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's right. So one mistake. One mistake in the exit ticket. We're all human, right? We all make mistakes. All right, so let me show you the rubric. So if we go into, or if we go into modules, we're in lesson planning. So how am I going to grade this thing? And I'll put the video links in. So this is how it's going to be graded, just so you know exactly how you're going to get these 15 points, right? So the first one is, and this is just to help me like not play favorites, right? Because you always have students you like better than the others. It just happens. How'd you rate the lesson plans? Was it highly effective, effective, developing, or not effective? Was it disorganized and unclear? Somewhat clear chart, but did not go into detail for rationales. Mostly clear in the chart, lacks specifics and examples in the impression section. And then highly effective would be descriptive impression sections that provided explanations with specific examples. How was your lesson plan? Was it a clear choice selection of design, well-formatted plan containing links to reference materials and was guided by a research philosophy? Was it mostly clear, however, it lacked specifics of reference and philosophy or support of the lesson? So if you, why'd I go so high into research philosophy? I was hoping that in this to be like a perfect one. You're like, I really want to use history, right? I like using history, or I really wanted to make my lesson gamified. Like, so I use games. So just give me a reason why you did what you did. Either through your philosophy or some reference. Somewhat clear, but lacked elements in design, disorganized or clear. All right, how was your videotape? Was it clear with logs, articulated explanations of the process, detailed descriptions of the feedback, mostly clear video, lacked some reasoning behind the utility of the lesson plan decisions on the videotape future. So was it a good video? Did you reflect on it well, right? A somewhat clear video, but lacked elements to show thorough feedback, or was it disorganized? So I really want you to watch it and tell me what you thought of it. The reflection to the assignment, this is the big one. So for that reflection piece, were you giving clear and precise, thoughtful recommendations? Was it clear, however, it lacked detailed steps to show what you would do differently or what you liked? And then finally, was the formatting on point? Now, I want you guys to use the APA guidelines because everything you have to write is APA. If you're afraid of APA guidelines, was it well formatted? Was it easy to read? Was all the sections clear? Was it easy for me to go through? That's what I'm going to grade for formatting. So I know this was a short one, but I definitely wanted to go through the rubric. This is how I'm grading you. Does it have to be APA? No, I'll survive, but it definitely should be clear. And I hope you have a great day.